Is the metaverse about to explode? What's up, guys? Welcome back to AM/PM Crypto. Today I'm going to be going over some metaverse coins here. We got Sand, Mana, Gala Games. A little update on Ethereum and Bitcoin. So yesterday, we're looking at the chart of Sandbox here. And yesterday it did break out of this structure, this descending wedge pattern. This is a bullish pattern. And it did break out. What I see when these things break out is kind of a hook and go kind of structure or pattern, meaning like they will break out, they'll retest the top of the line, and then usually, kind of rocket off, or they can go sideways for a while. But yeah, everything's looking pretty good. I'm getting a little excited about this. I might be looking for some trades soon. We still have a little more time, for this oscillator for the stochastics to get a little lower, but this could take a little more time. Let's see here. Could take a few more days. And also, this isn't financial advice, so please don't base all your trades off of what I'm saying. Everything is my own opinion, and this could fail too. So don't put all your money on it. So if this does fail, that'd be like kind of a swing failure pattern. Take a crack at it and it would just fail and drop through. And I've seen that a lot of times too. So these things do happen. But it is looking very bullish to me. I actually did start to nibble down here, and I will, start to fill my order, with a stop loss, of course. You have to do your own research on position sizing and stop loss and target areas, and you have to have a plan. But yeah, so if we do run up, the first target would be probably about 40% away. So that alone is a really good trade. But if you kind of zoom out a little bit here, and this it can be a bull flag pattern. So usually with these patterns, you can want to go like where it started. This was a separate move, and then it flagged out here, and then it went again. So usually you can just move the flagpole at the breakout point, and you can see a target up here, $10.91. So that would be, more than 100% move. So that'd be a very juicy trade right there. And also Mana, kind of doing the same thing. Pretty much broke out at the same time. Well, pretty much all these metaverse coins have broken out all at the same time, so it's pretty exciting. And Gala is actually the most bullish one. I'll get to that in a second, but let's go over a little Bitcoin. It did have a bullish engulfing candle right here, but it didn't print my divergence. I'm always looking for divergence, and that's when price action is going one direction and the RSI is going the other and diverging away from each other. But bullish engulfing candle right here, where it has the same low of this small red candle here, and then it engulfed. So basically the body of the candle is larger and engulfs the smaller candle from the same start point. But this could be shaping up a little bit of divergence right now. We did have a lower low, and this is, it's still at a higher point right here. But it's a little, premature to call that. I do want to see Bitcoin, grind out a little bit further. But Ethereum, it's on this really nice exponential curve line, and right now it's making contact with the line. And these are usually areas of interest for me. Usually we can see a reaction from these zones. And, Ethereum is the foundation for a lot of these metaverse coins and has a lot of use case value. But, if it breaks this exponential curve line, it does something like this. It can break below, and then sometimes it'll retest. And if it breaks below and then retests, I would think about maybe exiting, because that's probably not a good sign. That might go down further. You might see a longer kind of a consolidation. But yeah, it still looks very healthy. Bitcoin looks very healthy. It's above this last node here. And like I said in my last video, if Bitcoin does break this trend line right here and go below this red box zone, I'd be very concerned. I might make another video about that. But yeah, Gala, guys. Gala looks fantastic. Gala broke out, just like, Sand and Mana did. But Gala, it is printing a little something different here. So if you notice, we're making a higher low right here. I'll change that to a green. We're making a higher low on price action. But if you look at the RSI, we're making a lower low. So that is hidden bullish divergence. So Gala is the only one printing this hidden bullish divergence. Sand and Mana, they still might have a little more work to do. But this was a pretty big move here. Let me show you. This was about a 36% move. So that was very nice. And right now, we're printing a little candle right here, but don't get too excited. This could take, a couple days or some time to work out. But I'm going to be looking for some entries, especially if it just, kind of snakes down a couple more times and then really shoots off. But yeah, it looks really good. Yeah, I'll keep you updated. But please subscribe. I'll keep you updated when I layer in more entries for myself. Oops. And yeah, we'll go from there.